One of the most important things when utilizing active target is making precise casts to the fish. I like to put the fish between 40 and 50 feet and make accurate casts right to them. First, I'll start with a heavier jig, say a 3/8 ounce, and let that bait fall right past the fish. If that doesn't work, I'll just use short little pops to try and get that fish's reaction. And if that doesn't work, I'll start to pendulum my bait, say on a tight line, and that will change the fall rate of your bait. Some days the fish like it moving fast, some days they like it moving slow. If I make a few casts at fish I'm looking at and they don't eat it, I'll switch to, say, a 1/4 ounce jig, and maybe they just want it a little bit even slower and go through all those same cadences. So use active target to your advantage and see that fish's reaction in live time.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.